Alice's Adventures in Wonderland, a timeless journey into the adolescent mind. What if the wildest children's story you ever read was actually a psychological roadmap for growing up? Welcome to Alice's Adventures in Wonderland, a 159-year-old masterpiece that's less about tea parties and more about the chaos of adolescence. When I first picked up Lewis Carroll's classic as an adult, I expected a quaint Victorian fairy tale. Instead, I found a mind-bending journey that left me questioning identity, authority, and the very nature of growing up. At its heart, Wonderland is a mirror for our inner world. Carroll's deceptively simple plot, Alice chasing a white rabbit, quickly unravels into a psychological odyssey. From the moment Alice wonders, who in the world am I? That's the great puzzle. Carroll taps into the universal adolescent crisis, the search for identity. Remember those awkward teenage years when your body seemed to change overnight? Alice's constant size changes are a perfect metaphor for the bewildering transformations of adolescence. One moment she's too small to reach a key, the next, she's so huge she fills a house. Her confusion and frustration mirror the real-life discomfort of growing up. But it's not just about physical changes. Alice's journey is also about the profound loneliness of adolescence. Surrounded by bizarre characters, the Mad Hatter, the Cheshire Cat, the Queen of Hearts, Alice never truly fits in. The rudeness and rejection she faces at the tea party capture the pain of social exclusion, something every teenager feels when trying to find their place in a confusing world. And then, there's authority. Carroll's adults are ridiculous at best, tyrannical at worst. The Queen of Hearts orders beheadings for trivial offenses, while the king wants a verdict before hearing evidence. Through Alice's eyes, we see the moment every young person faces, realizing that adults aren't always wise or fair, and sometimes, you have to stand up for yourself. Alice's breakthrough comes when she grows large enough to see Wonderland's rulers for what they are, just a pack of cards. It's a coming-of-age moment, the realization that authority is not always legitimate, and that your own voice matters. The genius of Carroll's story is that it all happens in a dream. Wonderland lets us explore unconscious fears and desires, making the strange rules and shifting identities feel both surreal and deeply familiar. We've all had dreams where nothing makes sense, where we're powerful one moment and powerless the next. So why does Alice's Adventures in Wonderland still matter today? Because it gives shape to the chaos of growing up. It reminds us that the journey to selfhood is confusing, lonely, and sometimes absurd, but also magical and transformative. Whether you are a child, a teen, or an adult, Alice's story grows with you. It's not just a children's book, it's a guide for anyone who's ever wondered, who am I? And honestly, isn't that all of us?